All right, here's part 2. Must have mashed the off button. I'm gonna put some stainless steel poles and some anchors. I'm gonna come up. I think I'm gonna come right about here. Oh, sorry, zooming in. Like I said, I'm using my phone. I'm gonna come up here, and then I'm gonna put a window here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some little cubby shelves, some little shelves to go right on the bottom across here and here, and probably one on the side going that way. This right here, we're tightening it from wobbling this way, and this one right here is just for keys, phone, whatever you have, whatever you want. The ones on the front, they're going to tighten it up. I'm thinking about putting a little cover on it, and it's going to be made out of plastic. And what I did is I went to Sam's and I found a cutting board for $8.99 or something like that, which was like a 24 by 18 cutting board, which that's a whole lot cheaper than the HD FE whatever, that marine board. And so I'm going to be able to use that for the little cubby hole. There's no structure in there, it's just to hold stuff, little catch-all. Because usually on my other boat I'll throw my hat and everything up there on the windshield, hoodie, coats, whatever on that section right here, but with this it's so small I'm not going to be able to. Anyway, have a good one, and it's getting cold. I hope my glue that works. Done the best I can. Oh, right here where you see this cam, there was a hole right there where they had a like a bass, like one of those chairs sitting here, but they had a little tiny chair there, which I didn't like the chairs. I think I'm just going to take all the chairs off and put a pad there. So it had a hole, probably about a 3-inch hole, drilled through all the way through. Water was getting down in that compartment, so I cut a piece of this off, 7x7 piece, put it there, put a bunch of glue under there, and now that little can is just holding it down, hopefully, and it'll be dry tomorrow. Anyway, this is where we're at so far. I got her flipped over, and hopefully we can start painting pretty soon. I'm gonna have to buy another gallon of paint. I've only got like probably about a third left on the 1 gallon because I put so much on the outside. I mean, I put it on thick, which is fine. I mean, like I said, I'd rather do it right than, you know, have leaks later on. Anyway, just want to show you my console. That's that's the idea. And paint it. We will go from there.